Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. So, as part of the training programs, we have uploaded our educational modules, module 1 to 16, in both English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. That's very useful. Module 1 to 4 is ideally suited for anyone who is doing +1, +2 or HSC, whatever you want to call, or in the age group of 17, any stream, not just commerce, even science stream. 1 to 4, anyone and everyone should watch. Module 5 onwards is ideally suited. Module 5 to 8 is for degree holders. And anyone who is doing MBA or anybody who is doing CA, CFA, and those kind of finance specialization, they should definitely watch up to module 15. Module 16 is exclusively for income tax on derivatives. That is for traders who are trading on derivatives, and also for CA, CFA students and those who are doing articleship with auditors. So that is in our Fibocan's YouTube channel. Our daily videos which we put is purely focused on market related. So on Monday to Friday, we put about Indian markets, and over the weekends, either Saturday or Sunday, we put about the global markets. In this video, what we will discuss is, in every video, in the daily videos, we will discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch our daily videos till the end. Don't stop in between. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you. Welcome to Weekend Special. Today is August 20, 2023, Sunday. As always, in the weekend, we'll be discussing about global markets. That is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, FTSE, CBOE weeks. Then that is in part 1 of the video. In part 2, we'll be discussing about the volatility, the dollar index and its components. And in part 3, we'll discuss about US 10-year treasury yield and Brent and NYMEX. So in this video, today's video, August 20th video, we'll be discussing about the market performance for all these products and commodities for the week of August 14, Monday till August 18, Friday 2023. The last 2 days I couldn't put video. My sincere apologies for my regular viewers, because I was seriously ill and I was suffering from fever and other things, and I was completely bedridden. My sincere apologies for it. So yesterday afternoon onwards I started recovering, and today I'm almost fine. That's why I'm putting the video. So let's go into the video straight away. Dow, as always, first we'll give the levels. Dow closed at 34,501.88, 2.2% down this week. Nasdaq closed at 13,290.78, 2.6% down this week. S&P closed at 4,369, 2.1% down this week. FTSE closed at 7,262, 3.5% down this week. And in this month, Dow is down 3%, Nasdaq is down 7.5%, while S&P is down 4.8%, FTSE is down 6%. In this year, calendar year, I mean, globally they see only the calendar year, right? Unlike India, where we have a financial year. In this year, FTSE is down 2.5%, while Dow is up 4.1%, Nasdaq is up 27%, S&P is up 14%. Now let's go into today's, this week's analysis. So S&P and Nasdaq formed more or less the similar candle. Dow formed a solid red candle. It formed a solid red candle and is just below the exponential moving average, but managed to stay above the Bollinger middle band in the weekly chart. It formed last week, if you recollect, it formed a green candle. We said that is only a continuation pattern. It should not be misread as a reversal. That is what we said. So now it has decisively moved down from the Bollinger upper band and moving towards the Bollinger middle band in the weekly chart. In the case of monthly for Dow, of course, all indices same. Dow has relatively fared better. It has formed a bearish harami, solid red candle till now, and it is just above the exponential moving average. Daily chart, what happened? It has decisively broken the 50-day moving average on Thursday. And Friday it made attempt, and also it is below the Bollinger lower band. Now the next support is at the 100-day moving average, which is below. S&P and Nasdaq, it forms more or less similar pattern, hence I'll cover together. it formed a solid red candle, third red candle in succession, and it managed to bounce off a little bit from the Bollinger middle band. And in the monthly chart, it has formed a solid red candle, which we said because it is going to form a falling three methods type of candle, where after 3 or 4 candles you have the fourth or fifth candle which falls down. Both formed a similar candle. In the daily chart, these two look much weaker than Dow, because it has decisively broken the 50-day moving average. On last week Friday itself it broke down, but Monday itself it decisively broke down, whereas Dow managed to hold it for some more time. So that is what the status is, and of course both are below the Bollinger lower band. Of course next week there can be some short covering rally. Why? Because 3 weeks of solid red candle, a short covering rally can come, probability is there, but the 50-day moving average will act as a very strong resistance for all these 3 indices. Next we go into FTSE. FTSE formed a yet another solid big red candle and below the Bollinger lower band in the weekly chart. Of course, it has chance of bouncing. Hence, one has to be very cautious in going short in FTSE at these levels. And also in the monthly chart, it had formed a solid red candle. Last month also it formed such a solid red candle, but eventually towards the end, it went up significantly and formed a long lower leg, a green candle. So this month also it has some chance, but of course in the weekly chart it has decisively broken the 250 100 moving average. Now the 50 is only that is acting as support. In the daily chart it is significantly below all the exponential moving averages. Of course it is sliding down nicely along the Bollinger lower band. Hence now we can expect some short covering rally for these levels, but life is there only if it moves above the exponential moving average. CBOE weeks. If you recollect, last week it formed a red candle. We said that it is a bearish engulf type candle, but still we were confident that it will go up and not go down. That is what exactly it had happened. All the levels that we say, it acts accordingly because that's the power of technical analysis. It formed a solid green candle and it is moving towards the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart. So now it is at 17.30. We had said that it will not go below 12 point some levels. If you recollect 2-3 weeks back. In fact, people who want to watch my old videos, you can go into the playlist and select the appropriate portion and you can see that. And in the monthly chart, it has formed a morning star till now, and daily chart it has formed it is moving up. Of course, Friday it came down significantly, forming a shooting star. So this puts an end to part 1. In part 2, we will be discussing about dollar index and its components. Thank you very much.